Welcome viewers, this is Raj Maths channel. Broad revision of basic maths concepts is being continued. In this video, serial 24 has been uploaded. The topic is data handling. Arithmetic mean or simply mean or average. All these three items mean the same thing. This is defined as mean equals sum of observations divided by number of observations. See the example given below. Ages of 5 children are 5, 6, 8, 11 and 15 years. Now mean will be equal to sum of their ages. This is written over here, sum, and number of children are 5. So 45 by 5 equals 9 years. So the mean or the average of their ages is 9 years. You can see that this 9 is somewhere in the middle of 5 and 15. 5 is the lowest age and 15 is the highest age, and 9, which is mean, is somewhere lying in between. Now in this example which we have just now given, the lowest age is 5 years and the highest age is 15 years. We define range of the data as highest value minus lowest value. So 15 minus 5 is 10. So the range of this data is 10. Now we take up median of data. It is the value in the middle of the data. Like mean also, mean was also representing the middle of the data, and median is also representing the middle of the data. Median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation if n is odd, and it is the average of n by 2th and n by 2th plus 1th observation if n is even. When we see the example, this will become clearer. So let us take an example to understand. Now in this example, number of terms or number of data is 5. N is 5 here and it is odd. So median will be equal to 5 plus 1 divided by 2th term, that is third term, and third term is 8. So median of this data is 8. We can see that prior to 8 there are 2 terms, and after 8 there are 2 terms or 2 observations. We take up another example of median. Here the data is this, it has 6 terms which is even. Now we write it in ascending order. N is 6 here and it is even. So n by 2th term is 6 by 2, that is the third term, and which is 1, 2, 3, this is the third term is 13. Now n by 2 plus 1, n by 2 is 6 by 2, that is 3, and plus 1 is 4. So this is fourth term, and fourth term is 14 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 14. So we have got two values here, 13 and 14. Median is average of 13 and 14, which comes to 13 plus 14 by 2, 13.5 years. We take up another item, mode. We take our data in ascending order. You see here. Please note that the value 5 occurs highest number of times, that is 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. So we say that mode is 5 because this value is occurring highest number of times. We have seen today mean, median and mode. They all bring out the central tendency of the data. Whatever data we have, maybe it is 5, 10, 15 or so, whatever it is, and the purpose is to bring out the value in the middle of the data. They have all these three parameters have their own importance, which will be clear to you when you go to the higher classes. This is all for the time being. Thank you very much for watching this. We shall come back with another video and we shall wait for your suggestions. Thank you.